Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Living It. I'm Jared. Today I'm at the Hard Rock in Riviera, Mexico, and I'm going to take you on a little tour of this property. It's an amazing property. It's really cool. It's a great place to stay. If you're interested in staying at this resort, I'd love to help you book it. I'm a travel agent. Just click on the link in the bio, and let's take a look at this property. Here we go. Hey guys, if you are looking for an amazing hotel, the Hard Rock Riviera Maya is a great location. They have amazing rooms. They're beautiful rooms, beautiful hotel. Lots to offer at this hotel, especially if you're taking a family on vacation. This would be a great family vacation to go on. They have the water park, they have the arcade, the bowling alley, the stuff I already showed you in the video. That's super awesome. They also have some amazing food at this hotel, as you can see in the pictures. And then they got these really cool little specialty type restaurants like the taco trucks and different things like that that are just fun if you don't want to go into eat at a full restaurant. They also have an amazing beach, pools, and I love the little lagoon. In case you're having a bad weather day, you don't have to worry about the waves crashing in and ruining your fun. So this is a great property to stay in. If you're interested in booking it, I'd love to help you. Just click on the link in my bio, and I'd love to help you book this place. Hope you enjoyed the video.